G'day folks, in this video I'm constructing an esky bracket mount, that's this one here, and also a lithium battery mount. Now I put the two of them together. This one's the lithium battery mount. I put the two of them together and made some bracketry to make it all suit, and it all fits in the front of this boat. Now I've already cut the seat out. You may have already seen the previous video to this. I already cut the seat out of this boat. Now to fabricate all of this, it's much easier to do it before anything else goes in place. Example, the cast deck that is the next video from this one. Here's a quick run around of it all sitting in place. Now I've also had a couple of people ask me to weld some things in real time using my Feronius MIG welder. So today is the day. It's only a short video, but I go through just welding out this bracketry and how long it actually takes. And if you listen closely, you can hear the 4-stage Feronius welder coming in hard with the hot start welding, then a normal running temperature, and then a turning off temperature as well if you listen closely. Please don't be shy. Ask any questions you wish to know, and I'll do my best to answer them. Quick demonstration of how strong it all is. And I also had a question from somebody else about when I remove the seat out of these boats, how much strength is lost. There is a substantial amount of strength lost when you remove a seat out of a boat, but already just with this bracketry I've put that strength back in, probably, and some. And the video to follow, building of a cast deck, makes it so much stronger. Now it's all welded out. All I need to do is bring in the esky and the lithium battery, fit them in, make sure they all fit nicely. And the next video you'll see is building the cast deck. So please stay tuned for that. It's a great video.
Oh God.
Thank you for watching.